Okay, now we're going to start in our plus book. So I want you to turn in your plus book to page 159. 159. Here we've got how many shells? We've got 13 shells and 14 shells. Oh, it would take us forever if we had to count each one, and then we'd get lost and we'd have to start all over again. So we're going to add those two up. I know that 13 shells is 1 10 and 3 ones. And 14 shells is 1 10 and 4 ones. So now I can add those up easily. I've got 1 10 and 3 ones plus 1 10 and 4 ones. So if I add them up, I'm going to add up my ones first. I'm going to add 3 and 4 is 7, and 10 plus 10 is 20. So if I've got 20 plus 7, my number is 27. So therefore, 13 plus 14 is what? 27. Okay? Oh, so now here we've got Boom and Buzz. They always try to trick us. Let's see what they've got here going on here. Boom has 2 10s and 5 ones. And 1 10 and 3 ones. Well, we know 2 10s and 5 ones is what? 25. And 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. So if we look down here, 3 10s and 8 ones is what? 38. That's right. Good job. Now let's look at Buzz. Buzz says 20 plus 5. Well, we know that number is what? 25. And 10 plus 3 more is what? 13. That's right. So 30 plus 8 is what? 38. So who is right? I think both of them are right. So who's right? Boom and Buzz. How do we know that they're both right? Because they are the same. They are the same. Very good. Okay, let's turn to the next page. And here we're adding 10s and 1s again. Okay, so this is just more practice. So if we have 47 brown cows and 12 black cows, so we know we've got 47 and we've got 12, that's 110, so we've got 10 plus 2. If we add up our ones first, we've got 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 more is 9. And then we have 40 and 10. 40 and 10 more is 50. So we have 50 plus 9, which is 59. So 47 plus 12 is 59. 17 green pencils and 21 yellow pencils. How many pencils? So we know 17 is 10 plus what? 7. And then we need to find 21. We're going to break 21 down. 21. How many 10s? We've got 20 plus How many ones? 1. So if we add up our ones first, we're going to add up 7 and 1. How many ones do we have? 7 plus 1 more is 8. And how many 10s do we have? 10, 20. Now we don't need to write 20, or that 10 and 20 is 30. We wouldn't write 30. We would just say we have how many 10s? We have 3 10s. So we would just put 3. We would not put 30 and 8. That would be a totally different number. That would be 308. Okay, we don't need to put this 0 because we're already in the tens place. So we have 38. Okay, let's go ahead and do this page real quick. We have 52 oak trees and 35 pine trees. So how many 10s? 50 and 2. There's that number. We have 35. How many ones do we have for 35? We have 5. We're going to add up our ones first. 2 and 5 is 7. And 50 and 30 is 80. So if we have 87. 87. So that answer is 87. Now right here they made a mistake, and I need you to make 17 cards. We're going to mark this out and put 16 cards. 16 cards. Okay, so that's not 7, that's 6. All right, 43 is 40 plus 3 ones. And we're going to put our other number up here. 16 is how many 10s? It's 10 plus how many ones? 6. So 10 and 6 is 16. That's right. 40 and 3 is... Oops, sorry, I dropped the phone. Silly Mrs. Moss, I know. 40 plus 3 is 43. So how many ones do we have? We're going to add up our ones first, right? Our ones first. We've got 6 and 3 is... That's right, 9. Good job. Okay, and then we have 40 and 10 makes 50, right? But do we have to put the 0? No, because we're already in the tens place. So how many 10s do we have? We have 5 10s. So our answer would be 59. Now here we have number 5, 31 green grapes and 23 red grapes. So we're going to make our number bond. We have 31. 31 is 30 plus 1. Now we're going to make our number bond for 23. And we have 20 and 3. Now, first of all, we're going to add our ones. We're going to add our 3 and our 1, which is how much? 4. Good job. Now we're going to add our 10s. We have 2 10s here and 3 10s. 2 and 3 is 5. So we have 54. See, we added 3 and 1, which is our ones place, and that's 4. And then we added 2 and 3, that's the number 5. So we have 54. Okie doke. Good job for math today. Get out your teddy bear book.